So today we are going to learn how to develop or how to build a structural equation model in AMOS. So you can see in this picture, in this model, we have already developed a good and beautiful model of structural equation model. So in this case, we have the independent variables AI, WT, and PT, and then we are seeing how they affect TS. TS is technical skills, AI is AI training, WT is weekly training plan, and PT is physical training. So we are looking at how does these three affect the technical skills. So I want to take you step by step on how to develop such a good model. So we first look at the data. So if we open the data here, we can see this is our data in SPSS. So we have the four variables. The first one, the second one, AI, the third one is physical training, and the fourth one is technical skills. So you can see for weekly training plan, we have 5 observed variables. For AI training, we have 5 observed variables. For physical training, we have 5 observed variables. For technical skills, we have also 5 observed variables. So each of these variables are measuring their latent variable. So this one are measuring one latent variable, this one are measuring another latent variable, so that now we can have these four latent variables. So we can also check at the data. We can see that this one is a Likert scale data. It's a 5-point Likert scale data, and then you can see the number of variables that we have. The number of values that we have is 374. Is 374 responses. So now we come here to the model. We have seen that we want to develop a model like this. So I want to take you step by step of how to develop such a model. So the first step is come here, you click new. Now you create a new interface. So you can see this working space is quite small. So you may need to enlarge it. You go to view, you go to interface, then you can enlarge it by applying the landscape legal. Then the interface becomes quite big. So now the next thing is maybe we can open the original model so that we can compare side by side. And we have seen that we have 4 observed variables. We have 4 latent variables, 2, 3, 4. And we also said, so we can see in this model we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So and we can see that each has 5 observed variables. So we can come here and add 5 observed variables in each of these latent variables. So these are 5, these are 5, that are 5, these are 5. And then another thing we can do is that now we can label them. This is AI, WT, PT, and TS. So you can come here and label them. So we can see that. So to label them, this one is it, that this one is AI. Label it here like that. So the second one is WT. So this one is WT. Then the third one is PT. So this one is PT. The one is PT. And the last one is TS. So this one is TS. That one is TS. That one is TS. So the other thing that we can do is to rearrange them according to the way these ones are arranged. We can rotate. We rotate the observed values. So to rotate, you click on that one. So you can rotate that one, rotate that one, and rotate that one. Then also rotate this. The other thing is that we need to move the WT so that its observed variables are not overlapping with that of AI. So you click there and there, then you carry it like that. So you can see now you have at least a good space to work in. You can even drag them behind a bit. So the next thing is to import the data. You click here, import the data, you click file name. So when you click file name, you begin to where your data is stored. So you click on that data, you click open. So you can see now the data has been imported into that interface. You click OK. Then now you can see your variables there. So these are our variables. So the first one is AI. So the first one is AI. So you can see this is our AI here. So you can carry that one there. The second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Then you come to WT, carry the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Then you come to PT. So PT1, PT2, PT3, PT4, and PT5. Then you go to TS. Go to TS. So TS. Sorry, this one is PT4. This one should be PT5 like that. PT1, PT2, PT1, plus PT1, PT2, PT3 should be this one. PT4 should be this one. Okay. Then we go to TS. When you come to TS, so it is TS1, TS2, TS3, TS4, TS5. So now, but you can see in this model, most of the data is overlapping. You can see the names of the observed variables are overlapping with the error terms. So what we should do is that we should move the error terms a bit to the left, and also for the TS we move them to the right. So you come here and select that one and that one. You can be able to move the error terms of that like that. You can move the error terms a bit. You can move the error terms a bit like that, and also you can move these error terms a bit to the right. The other thing, you can also see that the names of the observed variables are not fitting to the space given. So what you do is that you come here to plugins and you click resize observed variables, and you can see that they have been resized. They have been resized to the next, but they are overlapping with the name with the latent variables. So you can deselect that one and click on that. Then you can carry the latent variables like that. You can carry that one. And you can carry that one. You can adjust that one like that. Then you can also select this one so that you can now be able to preserve the symmetry. Then you can adjust the error terms. You adjust them like that. You can see it is appearing better. Then you can also adjust this like that. So the next thing that you need to do is that you need to input all the error terms here. So you come here, you click name unobserved variables, and you can see all the error terms has been put from error term 1, this one, up to error term 20. But you can see that these error terms are not clearly seen. So what you do is that you need to resize them. So having selected that, you click on this whereby you want to change the shape of the objects. You adjust them like that. You adjust them like that. You adjust them like that. Adjust them like that. Then you may need to move the whole of this model, the whole of these latent and observed variables to the right a bit. Then remember, our model should look like this. Our model should look like this. So what we do is that we need to connect them. We connect that one to that one, connect that one, and you connect that one. The other thing that we should do is that we may need to make them beautiful. Click on this one, touch up the variable. You touch them up like that. Let's see what else we should do. We also needed to put the error term on these dependent variables. So what we do is that because this ts is our dependent variable, we also need to put an error term. So you come here, you select this one, add a unique variable to an existing variable. You click on it, then you click on that. But this error term is not labeled, so you come here, you click name unobserved variable, and it is automatically labeled. So now you can see that we have drawn a very good and nice looking structural equation model in AMOS. So these are the steps that you follow to construct a structural equation model in AMOS. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to run this analysis. So I'm going to show you how do you run the analysis of the structural equation model, and also how do you interpret the results. Thank you.